So first, you need to go to your Wix dashboard and then go to the right side of your screen and then click on your profile picture. After that, just click on account settings. Here on account settings, you want to scroll down a bit until you see this two-step verification, and then you can choose which one of the method that you want to choose to enable your two-factor authentication, either with the Wix app, where you have to download first the Wix application on your phone and then enable this method, or you can actually verify it by SMS, which I don't have here because I'm not adding my recovery phone number. But you can choose it where you will receive a code by message on your phone number, or you can choose to enable 2FA by using Authenticator application on your phone. You can download Authentication application on your phone first, or the last choice, you want to verify it by your email. So the code of authentication will be sent to your email. So for example, I will try to use to verify logins by email. Just click on enable right here. And then you want to confirm your email. And if you want to change your email, just click on change account email. But if you are sure, just click on send code. And then here you want to enter the 6-digit of code that was sent to your email. And then click on submit. And then there you go. Right now, the verify logins by email is now activated. And to disable it, you can just click on enable and then click on disable. But for now, I will try to test if this is work or not. So here, right now, I'm using the incognito browser. And then after I open wix.com, I click on login at the top right of my screen. And then here you can enter your email. And keep in mind, this two-step verification is only activated when you log in with an email and password. So if you log in with the Google account, Facebook account, or Apple, those two-step verification will not be activated. So you need to use your account email and then password at the login info when you open your account settings. Here, you can enter your email and then hit on continue with email, then enter your password and then hit on login. And there you go. Right now, I have to enter the code that was sent to my email, and it means that this two-step verification is working. Just enter the code and then hit on verify. And there you go. This two-step verification is working, and that's how to enable and work-proof two-factor authentication on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.